Millions of tons of apples entering the market, with a total economic value reaching into the billions of US dollars. Washington does not simply grow apples. Washington produces apples on a scale comparable to a massive factory set in the heart of nature. So what allows this system to operate so smoothly? And what secrets lie behind those seemingly perfect apples? On the map of North America, a red pin appears in the Pacific Northwest of the United States. Not a major city, not an industrial center. But the state of Washington, where a cool climate, the Columbia River, and vast valleys have created ideal conditions for a very special crop. Quiet apple fields quickly shift into motion as tens of thousands of workers, thousands of machines, and a massive logistics network simultaneously spring into action. Among these endless rows, mobile outdoor factories begin to start up, turning a quiet autumn into the busiest time of the year. From this moment, every apple leaving the branch does not merely enter harvest season, it begins a long journey from orchard to table. To harvest millions of tons of apples, humans cannot work alone. Modern harvesting support machines become indispensable partners. On many farms, self-propelled harvesting platforms serve as the main workforce, moving slowly through the straight rows of trees. Multi-level work platforms allow workers to reach every height of the canopy without climbing ladders. Apples are still picked by hand, but workers rarely need to carry them. A gentle placement onto soft conveyor belts allows the system to safely transport each fruit to a central bin. Thanks to these machines, productivity increases dramatically while fruit quality remains fully protected. At an even higher level, Washington's apple industry is entering an entirely new era. The era of harvesting robots, where artificial intelligence begins to replace tasks that demand the highest levels of precision and endurance. Instead of relying solely on human labor, intelligent robotic arms equipped with multispectral cameras and depth sensors are capable of automatically detecting ripe fruit, analyzing its position in three-dimensional space, calculating the optimal picking angle, and gently using suction cups or soft grippers to detach the apple from the branch. No rushing, no bruising. Every movement is precise, gentle, and fully controlled by algorithms, almost perfectly simulating the motion of a human hand, but with far greater consistency. Each robot can operate continuously for hours without fatigue, unaffected by temperature, and maintaining near-perfect accuracy throughout the entire harvesting shift. Data collected from each apple, size, color, and ripeness, is recorded in real time, allowing farms not only to harvest, but also to manage quality directly on the tree. As robots move along the rows, the entire orchard functions as a unified intelligent system, where every decision to pick or not to pick is based on data analysis rather than subjective judgment. This enables Washington farmers to reduce dependence on seasonal labor, stabilize costs, and most importantly, harvest at the optimal biological moment, a factor that directly determines sweetness in storage life. And in this new era, the orchard is no longer just a place to grow trees. It has become an outdoor agricultural factory where technology, algorithms, and nature work together to produce millions of tons of apples each year. Thousands of apple bins line up, ready to leave the orchard and enter the next stage of their journey, beginning at the processing facility. Here, everything is tightly controlled. Each bin is quickly inspected for size, quality, and freshness. Apples are then guided into water channels to reduce mechanical shock. This apple swim not only cleans the fruit, but allows it to move smoothly and safely. After washing, apples are dried with cool air, just enough to remove surface moisture and prepare them for the next sorting stage. In the grading area, each apple is inspected for color, shape, and size as it moves along the conveyor system. Apples meeting visual and quality standards are selected for the fresh market, while others are diverted to different processing lines. There is no subjective judgment. Every decision is driven by data. Before packaging, qualified apples receive a thin layer of food-grade wax. This coating adds natural shine, reduces moisture loss, and protects the skin during long-term storage and transport. Apples then move into the packaging area where they are arranged into trays, boxes, or cartons according to specific standards tailored to different markets. At this stage, each box of apples is fully standardized in size, quality, and commercial value. Beyond being enjoyed as fresh fruit, Washington apples are also widely used for juice production. Apples that do not meet visual standards, but still meet ripeness and quality requirements, are sent to modern pressing lines. There, apples are crushed and pressed under strict controls to preserve maximum natural flavor and nutritional value. The resulting apple juice may be bottled directly for consumer markets or further concentrated into apple juice. Concentrate used as an ingredient throughout the global food and beverage industry. But to achieve all of this, the quality of Washington apples must be determined from the very beginning, starting in the orchards themselves. Healthy apple saplings are then planted, opening the first chapter of their growth journey. Each sapling is carefully selected from professional nurseries, disease-free, straight-trunked, well-balanced, and full of vitality. Drip irrigation systems are installed along each row, delivering water and nutrients directly to the roots, laying the foundation for a growing cycle that lasts many years. Trees are firmly secured and watered from the start so young roots can establish quickly. Wind stakes and ties help the trees stand strong and develop proper structure from the earliest years. Thanks to the combination of Washington's dry, sunny climate and high-tech agricultural practices, these orchards are prepared to perfection, ready for harvest seasons worth billions of US dollars. Washington does not simply grow apples. Washington has turned apples into an economy where agriculture, technology, and modern production thinking converge, making every harvest a global-scale success.